Hey everyone! In this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to set a server nickname for yourself on a Discord server. Changing your nickname on a Discord server is an easy thing to do. To get started, open up Discord and then select the server that you'd like to use a different nickname on. At the top, you'll see the server name. Select that drop-down and near the bottom, you'll see Change Nickname. Click that and you can set a new nickname for this server by typing a new nickname, and then select Save. You can also change your nickname in Discord by typing /Nick in the chat bar, followed by the name you'd like to set your nickname to, and hit Enter. Now, there's one more way to change your nickname. When you are connected to a Discord server, you'll see the list of other people in the server on the right-hand side. Find your name and click it. Just below your registered username, you'll see Set a Server Nickname. Click on that and type the name you'd like to use and select Save. And that's how you set a server nickname on Discord. If this was helpful, click the like and subscribe buttons. We have more helpful quick tech how-to videos coming your way.